Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Password Manager in Dark Web Alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Password Manager, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google homepage by typing www.google.com in the address bar. In the upper right corner, click on the circle icon that represents your Google account. If you're not signed in, enter your email and password to access your account. Once signed in, locate and click on the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In your account settings, look for the Security tab on the left side and click on it. Scroll down until you find the Password Manager section. Click on Password Manager to enter the settings. Here, you can enable the option to save passwords. Make sure the toggle switch is turned on to activate it. Next, let's set up Dark Web Alerts. Return to the Security tab in your Google account settings. Look for the section titled Your Devices and Activity. Underneath, find Dark Web Alerts and click on it. If it's not already activated, you will see an option to enable it. Click on the Start button to set up alerts for your account. Provide any necessary information requested by Google. Once completed, you will receive notifications if your information appears on the dark web. Finally, you can return to the Password Manager to manage and view your saved passwords. With these steps, you now have Google Password Manager and Dark Web Alerts activated. Stay secure by regularly reviewing your saved passwords and alerts. This setup will help you keep track of your online security more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.